The wild is a battlefield where only the strongest survive. From the lightning-fast cheetah to the silent killer shark, predators have perfected the art of the hunt. But what makes these hunters so deadly? Today, we're diving deep into the hunting strategies of nature's most fearsome predators: stealth, speed, ambush, and raw power. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets of survival in the wild. Not all predators hunt the same way. Some rely on sheer force, others on patience and precision. Let's break it down. Apex predators like lions and wolves work in groups, using teamwork to corner and exhaust their prey. Stealth predators such as tigers and leopards rely on camouflage and silence, striking when the prey least expects it. Speed predators like cheetahs bet everything on a high-speed chase, reaching up to 75 miles per hour in just seconds. And then we have the ambush specialists, alligators, crocodiles, and even certain spiders, waiting motionless for the perfect moment to launch a deadly strike. But how exactly do these hunters seal the deal? Stealth and patience. Tigers, jaguars, and leopards stalk their prey for minutes, sometimes hours, before a single deadly pounce. Speed and endurance. The cheetah may be the fastest land animal, but did you know African wild dogs have an 80% hunting success rate? They rely on endurance, chasing prey to exhaustion. Ambush and deception. The crocodile, a master of disguise, lurks underwater for hours, waiting for an unsuspecting victim to take a drink. Then, in a split second, it strikes with bone-crushing force. Cooperative hunting. Wolves and lions use strategy, teamwork, and precision. A pack of wolves can bring down prey 10 times their size by isolating and overwhelming a single target. But here's the twist. Prey animals aren't just sitting ducks. They've evolved counter strategies to survive. Antelopes zigzag to escape, octopuses use camouflage, and birds like the plover even clean crocodile teeth without getting eaten. Fun fact, did you know a shark can detect a single drop of blood from miles away? Or that some eagles have vision sharp enough to spot prey from over 2 miles in the sky? The wild is a never-ending game of life and death, where only the best hunters thrive. Each predator has evolved extraordinary skills to outsmart, outrun, or overpower its prey. And in this eternal dance of survival, every move counts. Which predator do you think has the most fascinating hunting strategy? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife content. See you next time.